Welcome to DRIVAR. In this video, you will learn about the process after your deposit and what happens next. After your deposit, you will receive a confirmation via email. Depending on the booking period, you will receive relevant information via email or WhatsApp. 4 weeks before your rental, you will receive a reminder. 14 days before the rental start date, you will receive a summary of all the information again. 7 days before the rental, you will receive the contact information of our partner. For security reasons, we will only share the exact vehicle location at this time. For bookings made less than 7 days in advance, you will receive all the information directly from us. Thank you. For urgent questions and support, our team is available to assist you at any time. We look forward to providing you with an unforgettable driving experience. Your DRIVAR team.